Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I had a request to do a video about HIVE. I've been seeing it throughout the last week, but didn't really think much about it. And sometimes I have ADD, I think sometimes, but I am diversified. But I do remember seeing this one, and thank you for bringing this one back up to me. It does look kind of interesting. It is a Canadian stock. If you don't know much about this one, I haven't tried to buy it. It's over the counter, but I haven't tried to buy this one. So, no, I do not currently own any shares of this one. So, HIVE Blockchain Technologies operates as a cryptocurrency mining firm and engages in the mining and sale of digital currencies such as Ethereum. And Ethereum's been pretty popular as well lately. Ethereum Classic and Zcash. The company was formerly known as Lita Gold Corp and changed its name to HIVE Blockchain Technologies in September 2017. It was founded in 2013, revenue $29.22 million, and that was as of 2020. It's headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. And as you can see, the price $4.36 right now, and you can kind of see what it's done here over the last week. Not too bad of a last month, so. But I did find some interest. There's all kinds of information out there about this one. HIVE Blockchain expands Bitcoin mining capacity by 36% with purchase of 6,000 next generation miners to increase future operations. And so kind of some interesting information. If you follow my channel, I've done a couple videos about Humble Pay. Ticker is TSNP. I just did a more in-depth video on blockchain, and I've even covered crypto and Dogecoin on the channel here before. But haven't really got into the mining part of it yet. HIVE is excited to announce that it has made a large step towards its updated 2021 ASIC capacity goal of 2,000 petahash per second PHS with the purchase of 6,000 next generation miners with an aggregate operating hash power of 444. New miners with the addition of these 6,000 new generation miners. HIVE's aggregate operating hash rate from Bitcoin mining will increase to an estimated 1.673 exahash per second by the end of 2021. Based on the order that has been placed, this new equipment is expected to be received and in operation in the next 6 months. So might be a definite one to watch and see what the increase will be here in the next 6 months. Not that I'm giving you tax, legal, or trading advice. I'm just stating my opinion here. So delivered in 2 tranches with 3,000 miners in each of July and August of 2021. This expansion will be for our operations in Canada and Iceland, and are crucial key steps to take over 2,000 of Bitcoin mining capacity using green energy by the end of 2021. As we have mentioned before, the Rhinoceros Rex pandemic continues to impact logistics and the supply of miners from Asia. Today's announcement is part of our continuing strategy to increase our Bitcoin mining capacity. HIVE intends to continue utilizing cash flow to make opportunistic investments in ASIC and GPU next generation mining equipment that can provide positive gross mining margins. Chinese New Year is over, and we are now expecting an increase in shipments of new GPUs with 8 GB memory card to accelerate, which should improve our Ethereum production. Coin inventory HODL. I've seen advertisements with this HODL. Just starting to research it here. Since the beginning of the calendar year, HIVE has been a holder of all mined Bitcoin and Ethereum coins and has been banking it into inventory as a current strategy, which we feel will benefit our shareholders. HIVE Technologies is a growth-oriented Toronto-listed company building a bridge from blockchain sector to a traditional capital markets. HIVE owns state-of-the-art green energy-powered data center facilities in Canada, Sweden, and Iceland, which will produce newly minted digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum continuously on the cloud. So very interesting information here. I'll let you go ahead and pause the article and read the rest there for yourself. That's pretty much it for the article. This is their actual website. It's kind of a cool website here. Powering the future of blockchain computing. I will link this website in the description. It's www.hiveblockchain.com. This is a pretty cool video here. It actually goes to YouTube. Sometimes when I play a video on top of a video, I sometimes get my hand slapped, and sometimes the audio doesn't come through anyway, but it's a pretty interesting video, so I would recommend checking that out for yourself. And why HIVE, first publicly listed blockchain infrastructure company that bridges blockchain and cryptocurrencies to traditional capital markets, providing a pure play blockchain investment for the capital markets while creating long-term shareholder value. Low cost operator, low working capital requirements, does not require immediate sale of mined coins, and allows HIVE to strategically sell coins to maximize profit. Operations situated in cool and politically stable jurisdictions, Canada, Sweden, and Iceland, with access to low-cost green renewable energy. And as you follow my channel, you know we're totally into energy here on the channel. Solar, EVs, anything that follows the new administration, and even MJ from time to time. So this just kind of goes over what is a blockchain technology. I'll go ahead and link my other blockchain video in the description as well. It had some good information in it. But blockchain technology is a combination of an algorithm that performs calculations and a distributed database that stores those calculations in what is known as blockchain. This database continuously updates its digital records, for instance, a Bitcoin transactions, and does so on multiple computers simultaneously. So a very cool website here. Even goes into who invented blockchain technology. And I've heard this name, Satoshi Nakamoto, invented Bitcoin, but to this day the mystery of who Satoshi is remains unsolved. So I've kind of heard that story before. It's pretty interesting. But lots of good information on blockchain in the website here. And back to Reddit. That's kind of interesting. You never know what you find on some of these comments. So sometimes they're G, sometimes they're PG-13, sometimes they're R. But and some of this is within the last couple weeks and a month ago, and I just started hearing about this one, and this is 40 minutes ago. This is back to StockTwits, so might be one to watch. Like I said, I haven't tried to buy any of this yet. Where it is over the counter, I'm not for sure if you can buy this on Fidelity or not. I did not go that far to pull the trigger, so I'm just still researching this one and had a request to do a video about it since I've covered some other blockchains, so looked kind of interesting, and from what I can see, everybody's kind of bullish on it. So in regards to Bitcoin going up, and a lot of talk about Ethereum, might be one to put on your watch list. So but that is pretty much it for HIVE blockchain. Just wanted to do a video. If you have any more information on this one, go ahead and put it in the comments, and if you own any of this one, go ahead and put it in the comments as well. That would be interesting to know. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, and subscribe. And I'm trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers, and that would really help out the channel and get my videos out to a lot more people and break that YouTube algorithm is what we're trying to do. So again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.